Good morning kids. This is your social studies textbook. You should also have a notebook separately and cover it properly. Today we will start with chapter 1, that is the earth's surface. Kids, here in page number 1 you can see kids are discussing about the shape of the earth and they have lots of doubts regarding it. Let's see them one by one. Their first doubt is, the earth is round in shape, then how can we live on a flat land? Their second doubt is, the earth is round in shape, then if we live on it, wouldn't we fall down? I think you all must be having the same doubts. Let's discuss some facts behind it. Long ago, people used to believe that the earth was flat in shape. They believed that if they walk to the edges of the flat land, they will fall down. It was a sailor from Portugal, Ferdinand Magellan, who sailed towards the west direction in 1519 and after 3 years reached to the same port from where he started his journey. This theory proved that the earth was round in shape. Next proof are the pictures taken from the space. It shows that the earth shape is sphere. Now let's see an exercise in page number 1. It is given the shape of the earth is spherical. You have to give reasons for it. The answer is Ferdinand Magellan navigation theory and the pictures taken from the space. You can do this in your notebook. Now let's discuss the kids' doubts. They had a doubt that if the earth is round, then how come we live on a flat land? This is because we are very small as compared to the very huge size of the earth. That's why we see a small area around us and it is flat for us. The earth acts like a magnet and holds everything towards it and save us from falling. Now let's see how earth was formed. But before that, we should know what is a universe and how it was formed. A universe is a vast endless space. It can hold everything from the smallest particle to the biggest heavenly bodies such as the sun, the moon, planets, stars and so on. In 1931, Georges Lemaître, a Belgian Catholic priest and an astronomer, predicted that the universe was expanding. He said that it expanded and stretched to become as big as it is now, and he proposed the theory of Big Bang theory. Now let's see the explanation of Big Bang theory. Most of the astronomers believed that the universe was formed 14 billion years ago. They believed in the beginning the universe was a hot tiny point consisting of very small particles surrounded by hot gases. Due to the pressure of these hot gases, it exploded and this explosion is called Big Bang. This is the time when the universe was formed and with it space, time, matter came into existence. Now, what is a matter? The substance that everything is made up of is called matter. Much of the universe are made up of gases. During the explosion, these gases expanded and gradually cooled down. After many years later, these gases and dust came together to form the heavenly bodies, including our earth. Now, our earth was formed and it took several million years to form the first landmass that was called the supercontinent, and it was surrounded by a single ocean. This supercontinent was also known as Pangaea. After 200 million years later, this Pangaea broke into two pieces, that is Gondwana land and Laurasius land. Again, these two pieces broke into different parts and present day continents and oceans were formed. It is believed that the word earth was derived from an old English word called eartha. Its meaning is ground or soil. Now let us discuss something about heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies are the objects that are present in the space. It includes the sun, the moon, planets and so on. First we will discuss about the stars. Stars are very large hot ball of gases. Most of the stars are made up of hydrogen and helium gas. Stars shine due to the burning of hydrogen into helium. Kids, can you see the star during the daytime? During the daytime also the stars are present in the sky, but the light of the sun is so bright that we are not able to see it. Next we will discuss about galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of gases, dust and billions of stars. There could be as many as 100 million galaxies in the universe. Do you know which is our galaxy? Our galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy. The other name is Akash Ganga. You can see Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy with a center bar shaped structure composed of stars. You can see different spiral arms originating from the center. Kids, let us do an exercise. You have to pause the video, go online and find out in which spiral arm lies the solar system. Once you have the answer, play the video. Our solar system lies in the Orion arm or the Orion Cygnus arm. You can see the earth and the sun. Now let us discuss about the sun. It is a very large hot ball of gases. Sun is also a star. It is 149 billion kilometers away from the earth. Children, imagine earth without the sun. It would be very dark and cold. We know that earth receives heat and light from the sun which supports life. Now let us discuss about the satellites. A satellite is an object in the space that moves around the bigger object. There are two types of satellites, natural satellite and artificial satellite. For example, moon is the natural satellite which moves around the earth. It takes 28 days to complete one round. Moon is made up of rocks and holes. These holes are called crater. The moon is smaller in size than the sun. Moon is closer to the earth than the sun. Let us discuss about the planet. A planet is a heavenly body that moves around a star. For example, earth is a planet and it moves around the sun. It takes 1 year to complete one round. Planets and satellites does not have light of their own. Moon shines because the surface of the moon reflects the light received from the sun. Now we will discuss about the solar system. Do you know where solar system lies? Yes, it lies in the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system consists of the sun, the planets and the moon. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We will study these planets in detail. The first planet near to the sun is Mercury. It is the smallest and the closest planet to the sun. As it is very hot, there is no possibility of life. The second planet near to the sun is Venus. It is the hottest and the brightest planet. We can call it evening star or morning star. Third planet near to the sun is Earth. It is a unique planet and this is the only planet which supports life. Earth is made up of both land and water and it is surrounded by an atmosphere that contains oxygen which helps us in breathing. Next is Mars. It is the fourth planet near to the sun. It is the second smallest planet. It is also called red planet because of the reddish appearance. The surface of the Mars is made up of red rocks. These 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called terrestrial planet. The 5th planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is the largest planet and it is also called gas giant. It is made up of many gases. 6th planet in the solar system is Saturn. It is also called ringed planet because it is surrounded by beautiful rings. These rings are made up of ice and dust. 7th planet in the solar system is Uranus. It is the ice giant planet. It is the first planet which was discovered with the help of telescope. The 8th planet is the Neptune. It is dark, cold and windy. Now, we all know that Earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system. Earth is made up of both land and water. The large land area is called the continents and the large water area is called the oceans. In your textbook, in page number 3, you can see a world map. It shows the different continents and oceans on the earth. There are 7 continents, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America and Australia. And we have 5 oceans, that is Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Kids, there is an activity for you. You have to draw a world map showing all the continents and oceans. You can use different colors for showing the continents and use blue color for the ocean. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.